Hello, I'm David from Winning Solutions. I hope you're having a great day and thank you for viewing our webpage and templates. At Winning Solutions, we have a huge array of database templates to choose from for almost any business need you have. And all our databases can and are meant to be customized down to the finest detail to meet your company's specific needs. Shrink-wrapped software generally doesn't allow that. You have to use it as is with no customizations. With Winning Solutions, the licensing is very generous. The app can be used by as many people on as many computers as you want, and applications can be customized to your heart's content down to the finest detail by you or anyone else with a knowledge of Microsoft Access. We hope this video will be all the help you need. Are you trying to create an Access database but find that it's too much work? Or you could be doing something more productive with your time. WSI can do all the hard work for you. Just contact us via the information below this video. We will work with you to determine how much time and money will be needed to build your new database. If you'd prefer to have your new database built with .NET, Microsoft SQL Server so it can run on your Windows desktop or anywhere in a web browser, we could do that too. So now let's take a look at the NFT inventory database, NFT standing for NFT, of course, standing for Non-Fungible Tokens. If you're watching this video, I'm presuming you have a fairly good idea of what NFTs are and are looking for a database to manage them with. And here at Winning Solutions, we have just the thing. More specifically, this application and the related database template will focus on Veve digital collectibles from Marvel Digital Comics. So, let's go through the application. Close this other window. So, like most of our applications, we have a basic menu set up, and one of the first things we always take a look at is the table maintenance, because anything that you're going to be referring to in a list format, in a list box, anything that's going to be looked up is going to be in these maintenance tables. So I'll just take you through this pretty quickly. The brand, the edition, the type issue. In this case, we have digital comic books, so that's where this would be. Where is it ordered from? Price guide. So you can have a list of NFTs. How rare are they? What quantity do we have? What's the drop price? What's the floor price? Publisher and license. Of course, you can add to any of these. Basically, you can add to publishers. You can even add tables if you customize the database, which our full versions always allow you to do. But let's just stick to what we have here, of course. Season, series. So hopefully this is mostly self-explanatory. We're going to go ahead and close out of this. The next thing we're going to go to is the price guide. Now, the price guide we already saw. Now, you cannot manage the price guide here directly. I can't go in here and I'm trying to type in another dollar amount. Can't do that. However, you can search for them. So you can search for NFT. You can search for various rarity. Let's go ahead and reset that. There we go. We can double click on any of these and we get the maintenance for the price guides. You can change any of these. I don't think Batman would go with Spider-Man. Well, I don't know, maybe. Anyway, House of X. So anyway, yeah, so you can change all of these and then save and close, and you see those things are reflected in the search. Again, you can export this to an Excel file. We can import prices if we want to get prices or information on NFTs in from outside. Okay, so we'll go ahead and close that. Now, search NFT inventory. Again, we have several NFTs that we created here already. We can add a new one. Basically what we're doing is we're adding a purchase. So, oh, I saw Back to the Future. Good. $195. Okay. So again, you can add the purchase date, right? What the cost was, what would have cost in 1985? I don't know, $5. So appraisal value, maybe they're trying to undercut you a little bit. Anyway, so we can add that. We'll save and close, and now you see that this has been added. There we go. That NFT has been added to our list. So go ahead and close this now. And okay, so we've seen our price guide. We've seen how we can search the inventory. We've seen how we can add a new purchase to that inventory. And last thing we could do here is reports. So we got reports. And again, we can say inventory on hand. And we should have data for most of these. This is basically the NFT purchases that we entered earlier. You can see our Back to the Future poster. We accidentally entered that twice, but that's on here. Price guide, that's just a printed version of the price guide that we saw earlier. Purchases by date. I think everything we have is recent. So yeah, okay. Oh, nothing. Okay, maybe some of these were older. Okay, anyway. Inventory value for detail. And again, you can see all this. You can go through the template for yourself. The ACCDE, which is what we're in right now, which is basically the compiled form of the template, allows you to explore this however much you want. Difference is it cannot be customized, and data does not get saved when you close the database. So that's one thing you should be aware of. If you have the full version, that will not be the case, and you'll be able to customize this just like you can with any of our templates, any way that you need. And so I think we've covered everything. And so again, thank you for watching, and hopefully this meets your needs for keeping track of your non-fungible tokens. And so thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was all the help you needed for your Access database. If you are struggling to create an Access database that does what you need it to do, and just want someone to make that happen for you, that is the business we are in. Our contact information is below the video. You can reach out to us, and we will work with you to determine how long it will take and how much it will cost to get your database up and going. If the time and cost are acceptable to you, WSI will get to work and make your database vision a reality. Perhaps Microsoft.NET or MS SQL Server would be the better choices for your new database, so it can run on your Windows desktop or anywhere in a web browser. WSI will help you make this determination if you like. Again, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.